at the Sleaze. Is it like a stance event or something? I don't know, but it's a night meet. There's a lot of cars pulling in. Parking spots are full. So sorry for the ones that are coming in late, but it's a pretty banger event. You're gonna walk around, see a ton of cars. Got some stance, got some JDM, got some muscle.
Yeah, man. Which one of these cars you gonna use? I might use the Celica, the Mazda, the Nissan, or the Toyota. I heard they had that PT Cruiser on there too. Yeah, they got them throwaways too. Which course we gonna use? Let's try the D4s. Yeah, I heard that was fly. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Foot to the pedal and the pedal to the floor. Hurry up and take off, adjust my seat. Everything cool cause I'm dipping to this beat. Sliding, slipping, smashing off. I'm taking the lead while others crash the wall. Doggy, D-O-double-J in the Gran Turismo 3. The coldest game, doing things. I'm picking up speed while I'm switching lanes. Doing about 100, trying to reach 2. My homie in the baby blue. Yeah, so sitting on 5 stone. I'm trying to bring another checkered flag home. It feel bad in the worst way when you in last place. But look, I'm in first place. So how I'm gonna trip off that? Cause if I lose, I'ma turn it off and get right back. Choose a whole nother car, a whole new course with tunnels and trees. Thanks for your support. I couldn't have did it without you. I doubt you ever seen a racing game this astounding. Picking you up when you're down in. I drive good when the beat be pounding. Knocking all across your face. Your boy won another race in a whole nother place, a whole nother state. I was last seen doing 298 in a S2000, silver and black. Sitting on chrome, acting bad like that, burning rubber, smashing like that. On the real deal, live from Apricot Hill. I'm in hot pursuit, being pursued by a show that's way too cute. Slipping out my lane, swerving through the grass. Man, these cars on my bump up, jump up to 300, way cold. I'm doing too much, I done lost control. Should I stop or should I roll? My mission is to position my position and fold these others up, even my brothers. What? It's all about winning. Y'all know what's up. PlayStation 2, taking you to a whole new dimension. Where the cars look fly and they got good suspension. Did I mention it was tight though? For real though. Gran Turismo number 3. You listen to the sounds of the D.O.G. baby. Riding, slipping, sliding. Watch out for the curve, cars be colliding. You in second gear, put it in third, and make sure you don't hit them white lines by the curve. You what you should be do in a Subaru, oh Lord. I jumped in the dark blue Ford, and he claimed that he in it to win it. Don't trip, just make sure that you gon' finish. First, second, third, that's all that matter. And I doubt there's a racing game that's fatter. For real though, Gran Turismo for show though. On the low though, the game that's for show though. Put your pedal to the metal and ask all the kids in the ghetto. Is the game hot like a kettle? And I guarantee they all say hello. I know you're swerving right now. Doing about 200 in the fast lane. Yeah. What's the name of the game? Gran Turismo. For show though, on the low though. Yeah, Gran Turismo. Yeah, on the low low for show though. Gran Turismo. Yeah, on the low low for show though. Is it the tightest game? You better ask somebody. For real though. Gran Turismo. For real though. Gran Turismo. Yeah, burn rubber, for real. Right on. Gran Turismo, right on, for real now. 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 Gran Turismo, right on. For real now. Gran Turismo, right on, for real now.
3. crazy. You got the helicopter up there. You got cops surrounding all four sides. It's crazy out here. But yeah, this was another too crazy lit event. I'm gonna go get some sugar and I might head out. But this was crazy, you know? Always starting and ending with a bang. But this was too much of a bang, to the point where cops showed up and a lot of people head out.
The next day.
Time to be secure with Esker Wallet. Esker, the world's largest smart wallet brand, finds innovative solutions for the way you carry your everyday items. Credit cards, your IDs. It's really efficient and satisfy your needs. The size is amazing. Have quick card access right at your fingertips. This is your tracker. You will use this for your wallet and you will download an app. Download Shipolo and create an account. That way you can link and set up your tracker in case you lose your wallet or it gets stolen. Trackable worldwide. 2 hours of sunlight will give you a 3-month charge, and voice activated. Shop.esker.com/iBlackKnight to get your Esker wallet today.
What's up, everyone? Back here at another car meet. Thanks to my manager, I was able to get off early and not miss the event, so shout out to my manager. Anyways, we're at the Mstreet car event for a Sunday afternoon, which is perfect. Yo, check out this Mustang. That looks really good. It looks really nice. Nice build. What's up, everyone? I'm going to head out, but stay tuned for more automotive content. You know, it's just a lot of crazy stuff going on, but we're bringing a lot in 2022, okay? So like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and till next time, peace, Crusaders.